What's up, guys? Welcome to another video, and hopefully y'all either saw or liked the last video. Not many views got on it, but I'm gonna throw that up to not posting it for like a month and a half. And good news for you guys, I got some special news. I've got some new parts in and I'm really excited for, but I'll get into that later. We're also gonna drive the FC today. I'm gonna test out I think version 5 of the tune that Seth sent me, so I gotta test that out. Go rip the car a little bit, which I'll take you guys along for. I don't know if I have a GoPro, so I don't know. I can't remember if I have a GoPro with me. Figure out how to film it. But first, we gotta go to the gym. So, I don't know if you guys know, I don't know if I've said it, but over the past year and a half, I don't know, Alfie has somehow turned me into someone that cares about the gym. Not much about eating healthy, but the gym. So, I go to the gym, I don't know, was it like 4 to 5 times a week, and thank you to my buddy Ron for getting me hooked on Redline. So best pre-workout ever, and we're gonna go do leg day, I think. So we're on the way to the gym. Once I get there, I'll bang out a quick workout, probably a couple hours, and then we will get back to the clubhouse and work on the FC. So let's get to it. All right, we made it to the gym. I don't take my camera into the gym because that's just dumb. I don't like doing that. So leave you guys here. I'll go work out. We'll see you back here extremely tired and sweaty, and then we'll go do race car stuff. So be right back.
Howdy everybody, it's me. So James is about to go get arrested in his box. So that's James's shitbox. He's about to do a pull or something so he can potentially get arrested. But we'll find out. Thing's too fucking loud. So unfortunately I missed one of the pulls that he just did, because I was not prepared. Be ready for the next one though, be ready. I damn near missed that one too, because I was not paying attention at all.
Jesus.
Yeah.
It doesn't sound too bad at full speed though.
It really doesn't. I mean, it never has
But
sounded
the whole
bad
county
at full
knows
speed.
that this is happening.
Yeah, exactly. Like, that's the only thing. Let's see when he comes back around. Oh boy, is he coming.
Alright guys, so we're back from the gym. It is time to fast forward a little bit because I got ahead of myself. Yes, I'm shirtless and don't really care. So, as you can tell, that shitbox is running. That shitbox is running too. So, what we're doing with the FC, well, my friend Seth, who used to be in Greenville, has a really dope FD that has a giant turbo, makes some solid power. He is the one that is currently tuning my car. So, over the past month, Seth and I have been going back and forth on tunes. He sends me maps, I go out, do some pulls, and then data log, and then send them back to him. We just did version 5 of the tune, and that's what I was out doing. Didn't have my GoPro, so couldn't really film, and it's hard to film and do pulls and drive at the same time. I honestly should have given the camera to Peter so he could have filmed a flyby for you guys, but didn't do that. So we're running. Everything is pretty much going well with the tune. We're pulling a lot of fuel out. I think Seth is getting closer to where he wants to be on fuel. So she's running pretty good. Very brappy. And right now I'm just letting her cool down and export the log at the same time. Where are we at? 180 on water temp, not bad. So we're just letting her cool down and be happy. So Joel and Harris and Adam are moving out of the clubhouse, so we're all kind of all hands on deck getting our ship boxes out and all our stuff moved. So there's that. But one cool thing, which I need to go show you guys while we let that do its thing. As you know, I am going turbo. I'm going turbo, so when I was on Cape, we ended up port matching our turbo to Manifold, and got everything good. I like basically kind of Ryan machined it and port matched it, and I just went in with the old Dremel and started basically polishing it by hand and trying to get those ports smoothed out inside. Now, I put on the Facebook page, I don't know, a week ago or something, asking why my fuel rail did not line up with my manifold. So it turns out your fuel rail, turns out on FCs you can use S4 rails on S5 manifolds, but you cannot use S5 rails on S4 manifolds. So one of y'all sent me an S5 rail for my S4 manifold. Turns out it didn't work. Found that out, made a post on Facebook, and was kind of asking around for what's going on and what my problems were. You guys all told me that, so thank you for that. But in the process of that whole ordeal, we got some cool parts and we made some new friends. My friends over at, God, the FC's loud, you can still hear it outside. So my friends over at Elite Rotary Shop sent me focus on this. I don't know why I just touched the rail to try to make that focus, but so these guys, Elite Rotary Shop, they commented on the post and they asked what color rail I wanted. They had black, green, and blue. I said blue, and then boom, a week later rails show up. I already have the secondary rail on our manifold here. You can, there you can kind of see it. So I am super pumped to be partnering with Elite on this, and I'm really excited to be running their rails. So while in the process of tuning in a few days, I'm waiting for fuel line, we're going to pull the NA manifolds off, we'll slap the turbo manifolds on, and then we will work on redoing the fuel system, which pretty much the fuel system has been provided to me through a lot of my friends, so I'm thankful for all you guys. Omari over at Performance MD, he painted my car. He also works at Eurofed. So if you have German cars and you're in Charlotte and you want them to get work done, go to Eurofed. See Omari. But pretty much my whole fuel system has been provided to me by friends. We've got, what was it? Omari gave me a Walboro 255 pump plus a AEM fuel pressure regulator. Then my friend John Barber has that big turbo 335 I may have talked about a lot. He gave me all my AN fittings and everything I need for that. And then Elite Rotary Shop, those dope guys, which I'll link somewhere, they sent me a camo shirt, which I should probably be wearing, but I'm shirtless. They sent me the primary and secondary rail, and now all I had to buy was fuel line, which I ordered fuel line. I sent it to the wrong house, so I gotta go pick that up later today. But we're gonna do a braided line with AN fittings, and hopefully it'll look really nice. So that's kind of what's going on right now, but it's pretty hectic just moving and all this other stuff. But let's go see if this log is done. Still taking forever, so I might just shut the car down and pull it off and go from there, but we'll see. So yeah, that's currently what's up with the car, and hopefully we'll get her good for grid life. Well, while we wait for that to export, I'll go break the manifold down for y'all. I'll actually show you what we did. I don't think I've really talked about the turbo manifolds on the channel, so let's go do that right now. The sun's killing me. All right, I need glasses. I feel weird. Oh, if you guys are curious, I broke my brand new Ray-Bans, so rip for that. Thanks for Adam for letting me borrow his, and hopefully we get them back and they're fixed, because I really like those. But we have our manifolds broken down. I'll kind of show you what is going on. So here's a better look at our Elite Rotary Shop rail, secondary rail. I'm waiting for the fittings to come in, but the inlet is a -6AN, and then should be good. So I got those ordered. We're running block-off plates from my buddy Landon at LRB Speed. Best deal for block-off plates if you want them. Now here, is where the magic happens. So this is our port matched Turbo 2 S4 lower intake manifold. So Ryan, you guys remember Ryan? He's up in Cape. Huh? Joel's showing me stuff. Oh, that's the cat. What are you doing? What are you doing, cat? So our buddy Ryan up in Cape Cod, I can't remember, I'm sure you guys remember him. Actually comment and tell Ryan to move down here so we can open up a race shop and he can build Baja trucks for the rest of his life. So we had to cut these new ports, these new holes to match the NA block. So we cut those. We tried to get as much flow as we could. So we cut this one basically an angle into the runner, and we slightly messed up because we kind of nicked it a little bit. So we had to weld that hole back shut in Cape. But we did that. I just went through and I don't know if you guys can see this, polished everything up by hand in there. Turned out really good, really smooth. So we are good for that. And that's pretty much how we did this, was just a mill, cut some holes. Obviously you fill the cavities with JB Weld before you do that, and then you just go to town sanding. So that's kind of what's up with that. That's just a basic upper manifold, and obviously the primary rail is going in the bottom of the block. So that's it for our Turbo 2 manifold. Very simple process. It'll work, and I'm real excited. Cleaned it up, we painted them silver, thought it looked nice. I think it goes well with the blue rails, but that's about all we got. So I'm gonna throw this thing back together. You can see your nice little port down there. Throw this back together and get on with the rest of the day. Now that's back together, we will shut down the SC, and hopefully this thing's exported. If not, I'll just turn it off and we'll deal with it later. But this thing's been running for too long. So let's go ahead and get it done. What's up, guys? I'm sitting here editing the current video y'all are watching. I want to give a huge shout out to Sam over at Elite Rotary Shop for supplying these fuel rails. I'm really excited to throw them on the car. They look great. I think they're gonna be awesome. Let me know what you guys think, and stay tuned for the next video. Thank you guys for watching. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. If you're a long-term subscriber, thank you guys. See y'all later. Bye.